Service in North Platte has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Cherry County in north central Nebraska, northeastern Grant County in west central Nebraska, until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Annis, or 33 miles west of Mullen, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Cherry and northeastern Grant counties, including the following locations: Whitman Road crossing the north branch of the Middle Loop River, Higher, and Duluth. This includes the following highways: Highway 2 between mile markers 150 and 159. Highway 61 between mile markers 160 and 176. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Cherry, Nebraska,